Hi everyone, Miss Tui here. In today's lesson, Ozobot needs your help solving puzzles about words with prefixes. Ozobot will lead you to the definition of a word. You will read that definition to Ozobot, find the word that matches, and write it into a puzzle. For today's lesson, you will need an Ozobot fully charged and calibrated, color code markers, and a pencil. Don't forget your prefix puzzle sheets. There are 2 of them. Today, you will add color codes to complete a time sequence for your Ozobot to follow. Then you will match words with prefixes to their definitions. Then you will add those words to complete a puzzle. A prefix is a word that is added to the beginning of a root word and usually changes the meaning of the root word. The prefixes in this activity are un, re, dis, and pre. Un means not. Let's look at an example of a word with the prefix un. Unlock. When un is added to the word lock, the meaning changes to not locked. Re means again. Here's an example with the prefix re. Re-tie. When re is added to the word tie, the meaning changes to tie again. Dis means opposite. Check out this example of a word with the prefix dis, disagree. When dis is added to the word agree, the meaning changes to not agree. Pre means before. Look at this example of a word with the prefix pre, preschool. When pre is added to the word school, the meaning changes to before school. Before you can play, you need to complete the prefix puzzle map. The map has one path with 8 different definitions throughout. Ozobot is going to follow the lines on the map to move to each definition and follow color codes to run on a timer between each definition so you have time to read the definition aloud. Find the color code key on your map to see the color codes you will use: tornado, pause, and short, super slow. On my map, the path begins with a short, super slow color code to set the speed of the bot. Then the bot is programmed to pause or wait at each definition and to spin like a tornado between each definition. Can you use your color code markers and the color code key to complete your prefix puzzle map? Remember to program your bot to have the same amount of time between each definition. After your map is complete, get ready to solve the puzzle. Look at your prefix puzzle activity sheet. The prefixes box shows you the meaning of the prefixes used in this activity. The word bank shows you 8 words you will use to complete the puzzle. The 8 words are unhappy, reread, pre-made, dislike, unable, retell, disobey, and preview. Next to the word bank is the word puzzle. The numbers in the puzzle match the numbers on the map. Can you read the meaning of each prefix and the 8 words in the word bank? Now that you're familiar with the words you will be using, let's get this puzzle started. I want to try and find the first word in the puzzle before Ozobot gets through the path. I will put my Ozobot on start and watch it move to the first definition. My first definition says not happy. Can you put Ozobot on start and watch it move to the first definition? then read the definition aloud. My Ozobot will continue to move while I think. Let's look back at the prefixes. Which prefix means not? That's right, un means not. So the first word in my puzzle must start with an un. Let's look at the choices in the word bank. If you are not happy, are you unhappy or unable? You are unhappy. You figured out the first word in the puzzle. I will find the box in the word puzzle with the number 1 and write in the word unhappy. It's okay if Ozobot moves on to a different definition before you are ready to move on, because you will put it back on start for each word. The challenge is to choose and write a word in the puzzle before Ozobot gets to the end of the path. Can you find the word unhappy and write it in the puzzle for number 1? I'm ready to find the second word in my puzzle. Are you? I will put my Ozobot back on start. When it gets to the second definition, I will read it aloud. Then I will find a prefix to match the definition. After I know the prefix, I can choose the word from the word bank to match. Finally, I will write the word I choose for number 2 in my puzzle. Now that you know how to play the game, complete the puzzle. Remember to put Ozobot back on start each time and to try to figure out the missing word in the puzzle before it gets to the end of the path. Can you put Ozobot on start, read the next definition, find the word to match, and write the word in the puzzle? Repeat 7 times until your puzzle is complete. Remember to check your work before you turn it in. Does your map have color codes from the key along the pathway? Does your activity sheet have all 8 words from the word bank in the puzzle? Do the words in the number on the puzzle match the number on the map? Does your work show how Ozobot follows a timer to move to each definition? Come back again soon for your next lesson.